ठीक है.
A minibus of mass 4000 kg is traveling along a straight horizontal road. The resistance to motion is 9000 Newton. Find the driving force when acceleration of the minibus is 0.5 meter per second. So again, I will use my resultant force formula.
900 Newton is 900.
Yes, I know it's 900 Newton. So RF equals mass times acceleration. RF is the resultant force. Resultant force is the difference of the two forces. So you can say it's a driving force. The force with D, that is called the driving force, minus frictional force. I will write Fr to the frictional force, and Fd, the word Fd for the driving force, equals mass times acceleration. So I want to find my driving force. So the driving force minus frictional force. Frictional force is 900 Newton, sorry. It's 900 Newton equals mass. Mass is 4000 into acceleration is 0.5. So it is 2000. Driving force minus 900 equals 2000. Finally, the driving force will be equal to 2000 plus 900. It's 2900 Newton. This is the driving force of the part 1. To question part B of the question, find the power required at a constant speed. Whenever you see the word constant, you can write at constant speed RF is always equal to 0. The resultant force is always equal to 0. So the resultant force can be obtained, the driving force minus frictional force, and this is equal to 0. Now the speed is constant. We can say the driving force, I write usually the driving force with Fd, and it would be equal to the resistive force. So whatever the driving force, the resistive force is, that is 900. So driving force can also be considered as 900. So driving force is also 900. I want to get my power. So my power formula is driving force multiplied by velocity. The driving force is 900 multiplied by velocity, and velocity is 25. So it should be 22,500 watt. This is my power. I calculated my power. Look, at constant speed, find the power of required of the mini bus to maintain a constant speed of 25 meter per second. At constant speed, we know the resultant force is 0, and the resultant force can be obtained by taking the difference of the driving force minus frictional force, that is equal to 0. So the driving force equals frictional force, and it is 900, and the power formula is driving force multiplied by velocity. So you are going to get the answer of the power, that is 22,500.